Introduction to Monitoring System, Hardware and Software Architecture. In this section, we introduce the hardware structure of the monitoring system. Some basic devices like cameras and sensors are shown at the bottom of the picture. These devices connect to the collector, which collects their information and passes it to the server over the signal transmission network. The client can then log in to the server to view the information. For example, users log into a client to see whether the devices are running well or have some alarms. Next, we introduce software architecture. At the bottom of the picture is the access layer. The devices are connected to the monitoring system through different protocols like Modbus, Telecom, SNMP, and so on. The upper layer is the basic framework. It includes lightweight web running containers such as security log, database, UI component, and message service. Then, on the basic framework, we can see applications and services. These include basic modules and value-added services. Some examples of basic modules include fault management, performance management, and so on. Value-added service modules include work order management, energy management, and so on. Users can choose value-added service modules if they require them. Then, on the applications and services is a user interface, UI, including Web Integrated Framework. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.